son is going to give an explanation for this. Okay, come on, do it.
So you have to draw a box first.
And then 1 times minus 2 will become minus 2. So, and if you see there's 2y, so which is minus 3y and plus 4y. So that. Hi everyone, welcome back to Maggi UK. This is Maggi. Hope everyone is fine. Today I'm going to talk about the topic expanding brackets in algebra, which is using simple numbers, but I'm going to show you two methods, which is a FOIL method and a grid method. Let's begin. Okay, expanding the brackets, FOIL method. I have an expansion for FOIL. First we have to see what is FOIL means. F is first stands for first term, and the O stands for outer term, and I stands for inner term, and the L stands for the last term. So this is the expansion for FOIL method. So we need to follow this for this sum. Let's begin. So if you see this one, we have a sum called g plus 1 and g minus 4. We are going to expand the bracket and we are going to simplify it. So I'm going to take this question with my son, and whenever I ask him a question, he's going to respond it. So this is the sum g plus 1, g minus 4. So we are going to do this first for the first, and then the same g we are going to do for the next one, and then we are going to take this number and then that will go for this g and then again for this. So if you see here, the first g we are going to do for inside this bracket g minus 4 and then 1 for this one. So let's see what we are going to do first. Okay, when I go for g and a g, because that's the first one, so g and g gives g square, and then again with the g, and we have a minus here, minus 4. So that means when you multiply with g and minus 4 will become 4g. And then the next one is plus 1. Plus 1 times g is nothing but a g, which is a positive g. And then a plus and a minus will become minus. And then you need to multiply 1 times 4, which gives you a 4. So now, if you see there's only one square term, so we are going to write your answer like g square. And then when you see here, you have both g terms, so which is minus 4 and plus g, which is nothing but 1g. So minus 4g plus 1g will become minus 3g, and then you write the term minus 4 as it is. So this is the way you need to expand your brackets. So hope you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to give another sum to David so that he is going to respond to me what he needs to do for it. So this is the sum, y plus 4, y minus 3. Come on, David, come on. What is the first thing we need to do?
Do y and y.
So the same way we need to put y and y. The next one
is y and minus 3.
Y and minus 3. And then we go for the number now.
4 and y. And then plus 4 and minus 3.
Okay, so that's the way. First you need to draw the things like this, then it will be easy for you, so you won't get confused when you're doing your test. So okay, y and y
is y squared.
Okay, y squared. And then again y with minus 3 will become
minus 3 times 1 is minus 3 y.
Okay, and then number 4
4
and a y.
1 is 4, so plus 4y.
Or y.
And then plus and minus makes minus, so minus 12.
Okay. So now we have only one y squared term, so we are going to write as it is. And if you see there's 2y, so which is minus 3y and plus 4y, so that will become
y or 1y.
So will become a positive y, which is 1y. You can also put 1, so you don't need to put 1 as well. So because you have a greater sign plus, so that's why it will become plus, but you need to take away from that and then
minus 12.
Minus 12. So hope you got this one. Okay, now we are going to use the grid method. What is the grid method is, now we are going to do the grid method. Grid method is commonly used in general maths throughout your life. So let us see how we can do this. Okay, so when you have p minus 2 and p plus 2, So the grid method comes like, we put like a small square and then we split them up like this, because we have, this one is for the multiply and this first one is P, and then the -2 will go to the next box. And then this one, the P, because we don't have any sign before, is just meant like plus, and this one is a positive 1. So now once you have this, like when you do in your primary school, you do like multiplication grid using this one.
Oh wow, I forgot.
Yeah, so we do that one in your primary school. So the same method we are going to follow, that one, that's called multiplication. That's called the grid. We normally draw like this. Okay, so this is P times P, which is nothing but a P square. And then next one we have to take this and this one, which is P times -2 will become nothing but -2P. And then this is a positive 1, which is nothing but 1 times P, which is nothing but a P. And then 1 times -2 will become -2. So once you've done this one, we have to leave this part and we are going to take only whatever we multiplied. So the first one, which is a P squared, that will come P squared. And then this one, which is a -2P. And then the next one, which is a positive P. And then this one will be your -2. So if you see this one, we have P squared, and then -2P plus P is nothing but a minus P, because we have -2 here and we have a plus 1P here. So that will bring you just a minus P, because we have a greater sign minus, and then the next one is -2. So this is the one we got the answer for. Even if you do this one, the same sum, using the method I taught you before, the FOIL method, the answer will be the same. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you have any
much
question?
Easier than the FOIL method.
But mostly what do the secondary school follow is the FOIL method.
Yeah, but I don't
So,
know
but you
why.
can still do in exam, is not a problem. But mostly schools will follow only the FOIL method.
But I prefer the grid method.
Very good. So this is I'm going to use the sum, a grid method as well. Another example, so that everyone will be cleared when I do the second example. My son is going to give an explanation for this. Okay, come on, David.
So you have to draw a box first.
So we are going to draw the box first.
And then you're going to put the times in there. And then you're going to do A. And then -1. And then A on the other side. And then -4. And then all you got to do is just times it. So A times A is A squared. And then A times -1 is nothing but -A. And then -4 times A is -4A. And then -4 times -1, since they're both negative, yeah, it makes a positive, so +4.
So we can just put 4. Okay. So now we have to write down the answers. Okay.
So it'll be A squared -A -4A +4. And you can simplify this further. So A squared, and then since there's both A terms, you could do -A -4A, which is -5A, and +4. And
so this one is minus, and minus will become plus. That's why we are adding that number. And then we have a greater sign, which is for the -4A. That's why we put as minus here. Well done, David.
Thank you.
So hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Whoever is not subscribed to my channel, please click it and press the bell button so that you get all my new videos as your notification. Until I see you next time, see you from Maggie. Bye.
Please subscribe to my mum channel.